What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth cutting issue in your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the Bluetooth issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on manage apps and then go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth app. Now after opening the Bluetooth app, tap on storage and then clear the cache memory of the Bluetooth app. Now to clear this, tap on clear data, then select clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the Bluetooth cutting issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Tap on about phone, then tap on the software version, and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software, it will fix the small software glitches like Bluetooth issues. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth cutting issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.